Uncover the beautiful and unique people and places of the Philippines. From the pristine beaches of Siargao Island to the busy benders of the country, the tropical paradise of Filipinas awaits you. The tropical haven of the Philippines is blessed with enchanting destinations worth experiencing by not only the Philippines but also the people of the world. One truly amazing tourist spot is the island of Siargao, a teardrop-shaped island in Surigao del Norte, known as the surfing capital of the Philippines. It is loved by surfers within the country and the international scene. Dito naman sa Maynila, nariyan ang Luneta Park o kilala as Liwasang Rizal sa Tagalog. Ito ay isang makasaysayang liwasan na dating kilala na bagong bayan noong panahon ng Kastila. Makikita sa Luneta Park ang Rizal Monument na nagpapakita ng kahalagahan at kadakilaan ni Dr. Rizal Rizal, ating pamasang bayani. Alam niyo din ba na ang tuktok ng bundok Pulag ay may taas na 2,926 na metro at itong ikatlong pinakamataas na bundok sa Pilipinas? Mamamangha kayo sa tumawin ng dagat ng ulap at sa gabi naman ay mga nagniningning ng mga bituin. There are dedicated and hardworking Filipino sellers in every part of the Philippines who give our towns vitality, taste, and color. They serve as the lifeblood of our economy and society. By supporting local businesses, you're doing more than just purchasing a product. You're fostering dreams, upholding traditions, and boosting families. Siyempre, nariyan din ang ating mga magagandang simbahan na nagpapakita ng ating debosyon sa ating mga rehiyon at pagmamahal sa ating Panginoon. What makes a country? Ang tanong sa atin, syempre, ang mga magagandang tao ng ating bansa. Tayo mga Pinoy na hindi matatawanan ng pagiging masayahin, matulungin at pagiging matibay sa harap ng mga pagsubok at kahirapan. We smile even face difficulties. We show courage and we love our neighbors. That is the Filipino culture.